How to apply automatic message filters to subfolders 2. Thunderbird's message filters, Tool's message filters, seem to only fire on inbox automatically. If you want to filter on subfolders, you'd have to start this filter manually. Tools run filters on folder. How can I filter mails in subfolders automatically 2? I found the now EOLED extension filter subfolders. There it says. It turns out that there's already functionality to do filtering on subfolders in Thunderbird. It's just not well documented. Indeed, it's barely documented at all. It can be enabled by setting the preference mail.server.default.apply incoming filters to true, or can be applied per folder by setting the apply incoming filters property to a folder. I searched for the property mail.server.default.apply incoming filters, but didn't find it. So I added it as string, according to this issue, and set its value to true. But this didn't work. After restarting TB, the mails in subfolders didn't get filtered. Filter Quiller. This URL is reported to be able to set that property, although I haven't tested it. It doesn't say anything about that in the description. Similar, but not same, question. How can I get Thunderbird to automatically move messages? See also, useful to have it combination. How can I get Thunderbird to check subfolders on imap?
To make filtering works for subfolders, create a new string preference mail.server.default.apply incoming filters to true. Even if it seems odd, do not create a boolean setting, it has to be a string setting with the value true. Source, this URL, see reply of GeoYo1.
According to 1. Set up Thunderbird to run filters on subfolders. Click the Tools menu, click the Options submenu, select the Advanced and General tab, click the Config Editor button, Optional, click the I'll be careful button, right-click on top of any of the preferences shown and click New greater than select string, preference name, mail.server.default.apply incoming filters. Preference value, true. Now the second problem is that the filters only work when you click the subfolder. This seems to be because filters are only executed when new messages are downloaded, and that only happens when you click the subfolder. According to 2. Set up Thunderbird to download messages whenever new mail is detected. Go to the Config Editor, if needed, see above how to get to the Config Editor button. Set mail.imap.use_status_for_bif to false. Set mail.server.default.autosync_offline_stores to true. As pointed out in 2, please see the following observations. The advantage of the autosync settings is that any downloading is not delayed until you go offline. If you use it, be careful about how you configure Thunderbird to check for new mail, to avoid it downloading folders that you didn't expect. 1. This URL. 2. This URL.
You can solve your problem by using the Schedule Filters add-on. It still works with TB52, but you need to install it manually. After the installation, you need to display the usual menu bar. And then you find it under Tools. Now you only need to mark the specific subfolder and select Tools, add message filters and folder schedule, and define an interval. After that, all your filters will run on this subfolder every X minutes. In combination with Filtaquila's search term folder name, this is really powerful because you can create general rules that only apply to certain folders and they run automatically. In my opinion, this should be a TB built-in feature.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.